How do you accept appointments in Hosting Your Website Builder? Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to accept appointments and enable them into your Hosting Your Website Builder. So the process is going to be very easy and very simple. You're going to head over hostingr.com, sign in for an account, and then you are going to see the H panel. Now we are going to click on the left side of the screen on websites, websites list, and then you are going to see all the websites that you have. Now, what we're going to do is to head over here and click on the website that we want to add that feature to. So here we have this, as you can see, the logo of this discontinued square, which is going to be the logo of the Hosting Your Website Builder. We're going to make sure that we have at least a store on it. If you are going to have a dashboard, as you can see, button instead of manage store, you're going to click on edit website. And from here, you're going to add a store. How you can add a store, I'm going to let you see in a few seconds. So here we have the website loaded. We're going to head over the left side of the screen. We're going to see this, as you can see, cart with the plus button, which is going to be tagged manage store in this specific time. But before adding a store, you're going to see add store instead. Now, what we're going to do is to head over here, click on appointments, and we're going to enable the appointments. So we are going to set up the availability dates and also the blocked time. So we are going to enable the appointments and you are going to click on edit availability. So you are going to select the time zone and then you're going to select the days, the time, or the hours. So for example, here I'm going to make an availability of the Saturday and Sundays and the Mondays in here. For example, we are going to start work at 9 every day. So we are going to click on here 9, 9, and 9. For example, I'm going to on Friday, I'm not going to work till 5 p.m., but we're going to work till, for example, 3 p.m. I'm going to save that. This is the availability on the calendar. As you can see, the block time, it is going to be a specific dates when your schedule differs from your regular hours. So you can go ahead and select these, for example, as let's say block time, for example, the this one, that one. I'm not going to work, so it is going to be a block time. When you finish that, you're going to see that the appointments are okay. So do not forget to set up your payment methods by clicking on here, and then you are going to see everything clear. Now we're going to add the appointments into the menu of the products. You're going to head over products, click on add products. Now we are going to see the different type of products. We're going to select appointments. Now we're going to put the title of that appointments, for example, subtitle, a ribbon if you want, description, also the pricing. So you're going to have here an amount, or you are going to post it for free. For example, we are going to have here a price of 120, and then you're going to set up the time and place. For example, a location, if it is going to be a physical location, a digital location, a duration, for example, and the duration, hours, and etc. Also, you can have some options or conditions for the appointments, like having in here the optional minutes that they can add and the availability and here. When you finish, you're going to click on save and then you're going to click OK. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.